There's something almost unreal about a stiletto heel. Not loud, not obvious, yet powerful enough to change the way a woman walks into a room and the way the room reacts to her. Today on Footwear Diaries, we're stepping into the world of stiletto heels, not just as shoes, but as magic carved in leather, steel, and attitude. A stiletto isn't just footwear, it's a statement. The moment a foot slides into a stiletto, something shifts. Posture straightens, steps slow down, confidence rises. Not borrowed, not forced, but awakened. That thin heel beneath the sole creates a rhythm, a sound, a presence. Click, click, click. Every step announces she has arrived. What makes stilettos magical isn't only how they look, it's how they transform. A simple outfit suddenly becomes intentional. A quiet walk becomes a performance. A normal day turns cinematic. And that's the spell of stilettos. Stilettos have ruled fashion for decades and they refuse to fade. Trends come and go, platforms, wedges, flats, but stilettos? They stay because they represent more than fashion. They represent power, elegance, and desire all at once. Think about it. A stiletto doesn't hide. It doesn't apologize. It demands balance, poise, and confidence, and in return, it gives you presence. That's why stilettos are worn in moments that matter: first dates, big meetings, red carpets, late-night dinners, and unforgettable entrances. They mark occasions. They turn memories sharper. The magic also lies in the design. That thin heel, often just a few millimeters wide, carries the entire body weight. It's engineering meeting art. From glossy patent leather to suede finishes, from classic black to bold reds, metallic silvers, and daring animal prints, each stiletto tells a different story. Some whisper elegance, some scream confidence, some flirt, some dominate. And on Footwear Diaries, we appreciate all of them. But let's talk about the real magic, the feeling. Wearing stilettos changes how a woman sees herself. It's not about pleasing others, it's about stepping into a version of yourself that feels powerful, refined, and fearless. A stiletto doesn't ask permission, it challenges gravity, it challenges expectations. Yes, they demand practice. Yes, they require strength, but that's part of the charm. Stilettos reward mastery. When someone walks smoothly in stilettos, it's poetry in motion, controlled, graceful, hypnotic. That's why people stop and stare. That's why heads turn. That's why stilettos never go unnoticed. And